I wonder why you're doing this to me. You turned me.
Where's my mother?
She's inside sleeping. She says she wants to take a little nap.
Has she eaten?
Well, no, I made her food. But then she said she wanted to rest a bit before she eats. So...
Wait, hold on. Are you telling me that a woman who came in since hasn't eaten till now? You never insisted.
That's what I'm trying to explain. I won't force her to eat. I asked her to eat, but then...
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? A woman who came since 6 o'clock and this is 10 p.m. she hasn't eaten? And you're saying what? Have you gone bonkers? Do you realize whose mother you're starving? The person who kept you here. You understand me? The person who married you with his money. The person that you are under his canopy and you're starving his mother? Are you sick? Where are you from?
Your mother said she
wanted to. Stella! What is going on here?
Look at this fool.
Hey!
Mama, no, please. Please. I mean, I must know why this fool hasn't given you food.
It's not her fault. I told her to wait.
Why would she have waited? For what? If it were to be her mother, wouldn't she have insisted?
Hey, to force me to eat?
Of course.
As a child that I
No. As somebody who knows that she needs her drugs.
Get up. Oh, get up.
Rubbish. I don't care what happens, make sure this woman eats, okay?
Hey.
Make sure she eats.
Okay, why you have just...
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.